Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is now my pleasure to call upon stage the CEO of Big FM, Abe Thomas, and country head Big FM, Mr. Kumaran.
Everyone's dressed so formally today. Cool.
I'm saying now, I was told to look young and I wore this around. Whatever I found.
कल मैंने इनसे कहा कि you're a man who wears many hats. He took me literally. Hat पहन के आ गए.
Okay, Abe, first question for you. What is the thought behind Big FM's philosophy of Dhun Badal Ke To Dekho?
See, in these demanding times, expectations of people from media brands like ours has completely changed. People clearly prefer brands which have a purpose. So we've also evolved from a pure entertainment brand to an entertainment brand with purpose. So this was the underlying thought, and this is what's come through across all our interactions with the audiences. So therefore, we said, like, what can we offer? What can we do? What is the purpose of our existence? And radio is the theater of the mind. So we said, we can influence people's thinking. We will influence and inspire thoughts of people. And that's what our purpose is. So Dhun Badal Ke To Dekho is our endeavor to actually positively influence the thinking of our audience for a better tomorrow.
Fantastic. Sunil,
Come on, guys, louder applause. Whoa!
Okay, so Vidya, I'll tell you something about Sunil. Now, he has inside his skull, there's one crazy creative brain, okay? Sometimes when I come out of the studio at like 9 in the morning, you can hear it ticking from across the office. मतलब उधर से Hyundai के showroom के side से टिक टक सुनील आ गया office में ऐसा पता चलता है, ठीक है? So therefore, Sunil, why did Big FM decide to do a show like this? It's an edgy show. It walks a line. And why Vidya?
Why Vidya? Hello. Well, why did we decide to do the show? I think, like she so beautifully put, I think Dhun Badal Ke Dekho is all about giving up rigidity and looking at things from different perspectives, right? Because
which is why we're not in politics.
Absolutely. We really believe that, if you look at an issue from different lenses, that's when real solutions start emerging. And we are not here to solve problems, like she very rightly said. We are here to make you guys think. And I think radio as a medium, and Big FM has always done that in the past, can really do that. So we believe that we are the thought inspirers, and that's why this show. Now, if you ask me why Vidya Balan, yes. I think that will be like too much to answer right now. See, but when we conceived this show, we were very sure that we want to mount this show at a certain level because it's very, very important to mount it. So across radio as well as on digital. So we definitely needed someone who brings in a certain amount of stature, right? But more importantly, we also realize it's not just an entertainment show. Yeah, we are really hoping to make a meaningful difference with this show. And so the person who drives this show has to bring in that gravitas, has to bring in that credibility. And who better than Vidya Balan to do that? Yeah. So it was wonderful. It was an obvious choice, Vidya.
Thank you
so much.
At least that way, I get big before my name. So it becomes Big B. Who cares? There's a B in between.
दोस्तों, अब मैं जिनको बुलाने जा रहा हूँ ना, वो मतलब basically क्या है? हमारी कंपनी के चीफ फाइनेंशियल ऑफिसर हैं मिस्टर आशीष चैटर्जी. तो चूंकि मेरा जो पगार है वो वहां से आता है, जोर से प्लीज please a huge round of applause for our CFO Mr. Ashish Chatterjee. Ashish, lovely to have you here.
Thank you.
Please
Kemon acho Ashish? I'm being extra sweet. Ami ubalo. Sorry Brajesh.
No, ठीक है, हाँ. Okay. And now it is my pleasure and honor to welcome upon the stage the principal sponsor of this evening and this show, Mr. Keyur Shah, the CEO of Muthoot Fincorp.
Hi, Keyur.
Mr. Keyur Shah is the CEO of the precious metals business of the Muthoot Papachan Group. You've been with the Muthoot Papachan Group since October 2012.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And please, Ashish.
Can I give
If
this,
I may.
Can I give this to Vidya?
Oh, please, by all
Oh,
means.
how sweet. Thank you. To your brand ambassador.
Yeah. See, I think, Brijesh, before you ask me, I would like to say Vidya Balan, obviously, she is the brand ambassador for our group. I'm a big fan of her. Actually, honestly.
Thank you.
She is so human. And her screen presence, if you ask anybody in India or abroad, it's very comfortable screen presence, which is very, very rare for a star of that stature to get that comfort or exude the comfort from people.
Thank
that
you.
Because, I think all the talk just now is happening about changing, thoughts and debating on topics which are sensitive. I think she epitomizes this change.
Brilliant.
She epitomizes empowerment. And as Muthoot Papachan Group, we are here to serve the common people. We try to empower them. And I think who better we could have, to take our thought. Blue, see, Muthoot Papachan Group, we call ourselves Muthoot Blue. The blue color which we've chosen is because of the sky, the universe, the water. And she epitomizes our Muthoot Blue Soch.
Wow.
Fabulous.
Thank you.
Fabulous.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
If I can just add to that, because you spoke of her screen presence, I've known Vidya for a long, long time now. And Vidya is a thinking actor. She is a human being on screen, and I can guarantee you, knowing Vidya, that will translate onto radio.
Absolutely.
And that is what will win the day.
Thank
for this
you,
show,
thank
for
you,
Big
thank
FM, and
you.
for Muthoot.
I'm
Thank you
going
so
out
much.
of this place with a bigger head. Thank you all.